Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the lecture series of parallel computing. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about the list ranking PRAM algorithm. The objective of the list ranking algorithm is to find out the distance of each element in the single linked list from the end of the list. Here, in order to find out or in order to compute the distance of each element from the end of the list, we will make use of a jumping pointer. Also, to perform this computation, we will apply a suffix sum. Initially, we have learned about a prefix sum in which if there are n elements, then the value of the first element will remain same. Then the first two value get added, and the value of the added value of the first two element will get added to the third element, and in this way the addition up to an minus 1 will get added to the an. Now, in the list ranking algorithm, we apply a suffix sum. It means we will start the addition from the right to the left. Here, the first an will remain, the value of an will remain as it is. Then an plus an minus 1, the value of an plus an minus 1 will get added to an minus 2. So in this way we will reach to the first element of the linked list. Also, here we will have a two array next and the array position. Array next will represent the linked list, and the array position will contain the original distance of each element from the end of the list. Now, what do you mean by a linked list? A linked list is a data structure which has two parts. In the first part, it holds the value, and in the second part, it holds the address of the next variable. The address of the next element. Now, as here we are making use of a jumping pointer to compute the distance of each element from the end of the list. So here the distance get double in each successive step. When we will do the example, then we will see how this distance will get double in each step. Now, before, let's do one example, then we will come to the algorithm of the list ranking. So initially we are taking a linked list which will store a 10 value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. This is our linked list. Now, initially we have to assign a value 0 टू द लास्ट नोड. जो लास्ट नोड है उसको हम लोग वैल्यू 0 असाइन करेंगे, बाकी सारे नोड को हम लोग वैल्यू 1 असाइन करेंगे. अब नाउ हाउ वी विल डिटरमाइन वेदर इट इज अ लास्ट नोड और नॉट. तो इफ नेक्स्ट ऑफ आई is equal to 0, we can see in the algorithm now. Here we will see that if the next of I equal to 0, then position of I will be 0. Otherwise, position of I equal to 1. It means if the address of the I equal to 0, if it contain if it in the address of the I does not contain anything, it contains 0, then it will be the last node, and to the last node we have to assign a value 0, and we will assign 0 to all the other nodes. So this we have to do initially we have to perform this. Okay. Now we will perform a suffix sum. Here we have the value 0, okay. Now in the step 2 we will perform in my next video. I will show you the example of the list ranking algorithm.